So lot lakara. So we talked about lat lakara. Kala vachaka shabda no chet bhava vachaka prayoga eva lakara. So we have learned present tense lat lakara. We have learned lang lakara, which is bhuta kalam eva. Bhavishyat kalam rit lakara. We have already learned it, and all of them are kala vachaka. Parantu lot lakara tu bhava vachaka eva. Bhava vachaka ityukte ajna, order, anumati, permission, आशीर्वादः, प्रार्थना, अनुग्रहः, विधि, आमंत्रणम. एतत् सर्वं लोकलकार. So depending upon the tone you say that, Bhavan gachatu, the request you to go. Bhavan gachatu, get out of this class. Gachatu. Adhyapaka, I am not telling you, just trying to explain that loklakara is bhavavachaka eva kalavachaka na. Bhavavachaka. Moves and tenses. Tenses is present, past, future, then past participle, present participle, and all that will come. But we have learned the basic present, past tense, present continuous, past and future. We have already learned it. Whereas this is about moves. It means ajna, order. Bhavan gachatu. It means please can you go? Bhavan gachatu. Please can you go? Bhavan gachatu. I have given you permission to go. Vijayi bhava. Vijayi bhava. Bhava is a madhyama purusha eva. We will get into that right now. That is also lot lagana. Vijayi bhava. Buddhimati bhava. Dirghayushmati bhava. Dirghayushman bhava. Bhava is bhavat shabdasya madhyama purusha ekavasanameva. Tadavi lot lakarasya prayoga. Prarthana. Sugham bhavatu. Mangalam bhavatu. Bhavatu iti avi lot lakaraha eva. Anugraham lot lakaraha eva. Vidhi, order, lot lakaraha eva. Amantranam, invitation. This is all. You can use lot lakara in multiple forms. How do you differentiate it? You differentiate it in the tone that you say. So let us get the ekavachanam. On the first left hand side I have written patati, namati, vadati, pashyati, gachati. These are all parasmaipadi kriyapadams. I have only taught so far the four lakara. This is the fourth lakara that I am teaching you. These are all in parasmaip. Now there comes atmanepadi that I will try to cover all the atmanepadis in the next two classes. Radhika Bhagini will take the easy ones, lat lakaraha and prit lakaraha. Anandaram lang, vidhiling and lot I am going to take in the 27th February class. So I am in a hurry to cover all of that in 21. Today is the 19th class. 20th is Radhika Bhagini, 21st is me. With 21st, we will do Samaptam and then we will think about what all of us will do for Sanskritam. Patati, namati, vadati, pashyati, gachati. Artha tu sarve jananti eva. Patati is patatu. Patatu means lot lakara. Patati is vartamana kalaha, lat lakaraha ekavachanam. Tasya shabdasya lot lakaraha ekavachanam patatu. Bhavan patatu, Lada Bhagini patatu, Pratap Mahodaya patatu. It could be a request. If your teacher is telling you, if Shamala Bhagini is telling you, Bhavan patatu, ityukte, it is an order to me. She is a very nice lady. She will not order. She will only request. But she has got the power to say that. She is Samskrita Bharati Mantrini eva. Sa iti vaktum shakyate. Radhika Mahodaya patatu ityukte. You please study. You study. It's like an order. If your mother is telling her daughter, who is actually doing a lot of krida samaye, she is playing around, shvaha pariksha asti, tasmin samaye mata vadati, vasse patatu, it's an order, it's a command. So bhavavachakaha eva lot lakaraha. Namati, namatu. Devam, namatu. Devam, namatu. Mandiram gatva, devam, namatu. It's a request. Vadati, vadatu. Please speak. Hastam upri kritva, Lalita Bhagini, vadatu, ityukte, I am requesting Lalita Bhagini, please raise your hand and then speak. Pashyati, seeing, that is lat lakaraha, pashyatu. Bhavan tattu pashyatu. तत्तु पश्यतु, see that. भवान् तत् सिनेमां पश्यतु, go and see that cinema. सिनेमां, just to tell you that सिनेमां is कर्मपदमेव, अतः सिनेमाम् आगच्छति, द्वितीया विभक्ति आगच्छति. भवान् तत् सिनेमां पश्यतु, भवान् तत्र गच्छतु. गच्छतु means please go. गच्छतु इत्युक्ते go. आगच्छतु means come. You know, in the class you want to go, sir, can I go out of this to the washroom? Shauchalayam gantum icchami. Gachatu, please go. Gachatu. Suppose the teacher is angry with you. Gachatu. The tone. I am trying to explain to you that bhavavachaka eva loplakara. Suppose grihe, somebody has come and they invited you for a shadi. On a Sunday morning, you are saying, my God, there is one shadi here, there is one shadi in Powai, there is one shadi in Kanjurmarg, there is one shadi, and shadi means vivaha eva, marriage. So there are multiple marriages on the same day. Everything is at 10 o'clock muhurtam. So father is telling, Putri tatra gachatu. Daughter, you go to this place. Putraha tatra gachatu. Tatra means you go there. Avam tatra gachatu. Me and mother, please mute. Me and mother, avam gachavaha. We will go there. So gachatu means again it's an order. It could be a request. It could be a ajna. It could be an anumati or permission. It could be a prarthana. It could be an anugraham. It could be a vidhi. It is an invitation. So it has multiple meanings. The only way is to constantly listen to Radhitu Shyamala Bhaginyaha Idanin eva Bhashanam Kritavatah. Satu Sarvam Vidhiling eva Upyogam Kritavatah. Kinjit Samayanantaram Vayam Vidhiling Padavaha. Tasmin Samaye you will understand what is Vidhiling. What is Vidhiling? Vidhiling is exactly same, except Ashirvadasya meaning does not come in Vidhiling. Otherwise, all the Loplakara meaning minus Ashirvadam is Vidhiling. But we are not taking Vidhiling right now. We are taking Loplakara. So now I told you the Ekavachana forms. Now Dvivachanam Abhyavashakam. Prathama Purushe Ekavachanam Patatu. Bhavan Patatu. Bhavantau Patatam. Bhavantaha Patantu. Swam Patha. So that is why Vijayi Bhava means Swam Vijayi Bhava. Swam is you. That is not written here. Bhava Patha iti upayogam kartum samaye tad tu madhyama purushaha eva. Bhava Swam Patha yuvam Patatam yuyam Patata. You all study Patata. And depending upon the tone, it is either an order, it is an anumati, it is a prarthana, it is an ashirvada, it is a vidhi, it is an amantrana. It has multiple meanings. So it's very, very, very much, it all depends upon, you keep on hearing, only then you understand. So various usages of meanings of order. Aham pathani, avam pathava, vayam pathava. Aham pathani, in Uttama Purushe, normally Lokalagaram is not used very much, but still you can use it. Aham pathani, can I learn this? Pathani is a request. Aham pathani, can I learn this? Avam pathava, can we learn this? Vayam pathama, vayam pathama, which means it is an order to ourselves or a request to ourselves or seeking permission. Aham gacchani, can I, washroom jane ka in the class. Aham gacchani ki, aham gacchani, you say, can I go, may I go, let me go. Multiple meanings of all. Patatu, patatam, patantu, patha, patatam, patata, pathani, pathava, pathama. So, Kriyapadam plus dhatuhu plus atu, atam, antu, atam, ata, ani, ava, ava. You see, this is the cheat sheet. So, keep in your small diary one cheat sheet. Ekavachanam, prathama purusha, patatu. Dvivachanam, patatam. Tritiya, bahuvachanam, patantu. Tvam patha, yuvam patatam, yuyam patata. Aham pathani, avam pathava, vayam pathama. Now, let us go to some Kriyapadam which are commonly known so that you can use this cheat sheet and you can make it in your own sense. Patha plus atu, patatu, bhavan patatu. Patha plus atam, bhavantau patatam. Patha plus antu, bhavantaha patantu. Patha plus a, patha, tvam patha. The columns will go. That small letter will go from the dhatu and it will become patha. Tvam patha, yuvam pathatam, yuyam pathata, aham pathani, avam pathava, vayam pathama. Nam dhatu. So you know nam dhatu already. Namaskaram karoti eva. Namatu namatam namantu. Tvam nama. Yuvam namatam. Yuyam namata. Aham namani. Avam namava. Vayam namama. Vadatu. Bhavan vadatu. Radhika vadatam. Radhika vadatu. You could say, I am requesting Radhika, you speak. Radhika is put in the class. I am telling it's a request with her. Radhika vadatu. You say, you have to speak. That meaning is also there. It is like a VT. So depending upon the tone, Radhika will understand what I am saying. Bhavantau vadatam, bhavantaha vadantu. All of you speak. Bhavantaha vadantu. Teacher is telling in the class, bhavantaha vadantu. You say, all of you speak. Tvam vada, yuvam vadatam, yuyam vadata. Aham vadani. Can I speak? May I speak? Avam vadava. Can we speak? May we speak? Vayam vadama. We, all of us speak. Bhavan likhatu, bhavantau likhatam, bhavantaha likhantu, tvam likha, yuvam likhatam, yuyam likhata, aham likhami, avam likhava, vayam likha. Creed dhatu. Bhavan creedatu, bhavantau creedatam, bhavantaha creedatu. Balakaha creedatu. May the boy go and play. Balakau kridatam, balakaha kridantu. Let all the boys go and play. You are giving a balakaha kridantu. You say all the boys can go and play. Chatraha kridantu. During the PT time, physical education, physical training class, what will the teacher come and say? Chatraha kridantu. You say all of you can go and play. Tvam krida, yuvam kridatam. Yuyam kridata, aham kridani, avam kridava, vayam kridama. Meaning of it already you know. I am going very fast because we have got one more lakar to finish. Nindatu, nindatam, nindantu, ninda, nindadam, nindata, nindani, nindava, nindama. Ninda means insult. Khadatu, khadadam, khadadadu. Khadatu, khadadam, khadantu, khada, khadatam, khadata. Khadani, khadava, khadama. Khad means eat. Pibadadu. Piba is actually not Pibadadu, it's wrong actually. Piba is written there. Padadu eva. Pibadi, pibada, pibanti. Pibadu, padadu, kadam lot lagare prayogam karoti. Pibadu, pibadam, pibantu. Piba, pibadam, pipata. Aham pibani, avam pibava, vayam pibama. Bhudadu. Bhudadu ityukte kim? Bhavatu iti agacchati. Kiञ्चित् परिवर्तनम् अस्ति. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Bhavantu. Atra bhavantu agacchati. Bhava, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. Ekam nimisham. I want to just figure out. 29 people are still in the class after 9 o'clock, which is not a bad sign. That does not mean I can keep talking like this. I will try to finish it as fast as possible. Bhavatu bhavatam bhavantu, bhava bhavatam bhavata, bhavani bhavava bhavama. Krudadu kinchitta vyatyasameva atra karotu kurutam kuruvantu. Krudadu kinchit vyatyasam asti, and you need to know that. Karotu kurutam kuruvantu, kuru kurutam kuruta. Karavani, Karavava, Karavama. Kiञ्चित् difference अस्ति. Karavani agacchati, natto prayogameva. That Radhika Bhagini taught it in the last class. Aham punah ekavaram vadami. Karotu, kurutam, kuruvantu. Kuru, kurutam, kuruta. Karavani, Karavava, Karavama. Shrudatu. Shrudatu किञ्चित् व्यत्यासम् अस्ति. शृणोतु शृणुतात् अपि सम्यक् एव एकवचने शृणोतु शृणुतात् भवान् भवत् शब्दस्य अपि भवतु भवतात् अपि सम्यक् एव भव भवतात् अपि सम्यक् एव दैट मीन्स भवतु भवतां भवन्तु instead of that भवतु भवतात् भवतां भवन्तु भवतु has got one more variation which is bhavatat. Similarly madhyama purushano also bhava has got one more variation bhavatat. Parantu idanim prathamika stare bhavatu bhavatam vadantu bhavantu bhava bhavatam bhavata bhavani bhavava bhavama. Krudatu karotu kurutam kuruvantu kuru kurutam kuruta karavani karavava karavama. Kinchit vidyasmati. Shrunotu shrunutam shrunuvantu shruну shruну shrunutam shrunuta shrunavani shrunavava shrunavama. पुनः एकवारं वदामि. शृणोतु शृणुतां शृण्वन्तु शृणु शृणुतं शृणुत शृणवानि शृणवाव शृणवामा. Da dhatu means giving eva. It is a little difficult, but it is written here, so I have to tell you that. Da dhatu is dadatu dattat. Samana artha eva ekavachane. Dadatu dattat dattam dadatu dehi dattam. So madhyama purusha is dehi or dattam. So it is totally different from it is a different set of dhatu itself. These are all vishesha kriya padam eva. विशेष धातु एव किंचित् व्यत्यासम् अस्ति. अतः देहि दत्तं दत्ता ददानि ददाव ददाम. सो प्रथम पुरुषे ददातु दत्तां ददतु. यू कैन आल्सो से ददातु दत्तात्, बट लेट अस लीव द सेकंड वेरिएशन. सो लेट अस मेक इट सिंपल. जस्ट 3 by 3 एव कुर्मः. ददातु दत्तां ददतु देहि दत्तं दत्ता ददानि ददाव ददाम. Quickly we will do 2 subhashidam. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. All of you bhavantu. Bhavat shabdasya bahuvachanam eva. Bhavatu bhavatam bhavantu. All of you be sukhis. Sarve santu niramayaha. Santu niramayaha ityukte without a disease. Amayaha ityukte disease eva. Niramayaha without a disease. Sarve santu niramayaha. Asti iti padasya बहुवचनमेव सन्ति. अस्ति इति पदस्य लोट् लकारमेव सन्तु. अस्तु सन्ति इति पदस्य लोट् लकारमेव सन्तु. भवन्तु सन्तु एतत् सर्वं लोट् लकारस्य प्रयोगः एव. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. पश्यन्तु मीन्स् बहुवचनमेव. पश्यतु पश्यतां पश्यन्तु. पश्यन्तु मीन्स् प्लीज सी गुड थिंग्स. मंगलकरमायद. Whatever is good. Bhadrani. Bhadrani means what is good eva. Bhadrani pashyatu. Pashyantu. Mangalam bhavatu. Mangalam bhavatu means bhavatah mangalam bhavatu. This is Pradhama Purusha Ekavajanameva. Ataha Bhavat Shabdasya Pradhama Purusha Ekavajanameva. Lot Lakara Prayogameva. Mangalam bhavatu for you. Pradhama Purusha Ekavajanam. Mangalam bhavatu. Satyam vada. Vedavakyameva. Satyam vada. Vada means vadatu vadatam vadantu. Vada vadatam vadata vadani vadava vadama. Vad comes in the Madhyama Purusha Ekavajanam. Tvam satyam vada. It is an order. Tvam satyam vada. Dharmam chara. Charatu charatam charantu. Chara charatam charat. Charata charani charava charama. So chara means Madhyama Purusha Ekavajanameva. Tvam chara. Tvam dharmam chara. Walk in the path of dharma. Matru devo bhava. Pitru devo bhava. Acharya devo bhava. Atidhi devo bhava means whoever is your father, whoever is your mother or Acharya or Atithi, let them be your God. Devo bhava. Bhava, bhava shabdasya madhyama purusha ekavajanameva. Whoever is Arano in there, whoever is your Mata or Acharya or Pitu, consider him as your God. Ayushman bhava, buddhimati bhava, these are all madhyama purusha ekavajanameva. Bhavatu bhavatam bhavantu, bhava bhavatam bhavata, bhavani bhavava bhavama. There is no other alternative. Maginov is the only alternative. Magina. One more Subhashidam is there, which is very important, so I thought I'll just take you through that. So give me a minute. This is Loklakaram only. I have to do one more Lakaram today. This is from Bhartrhari's Niti Shatagameva. So this is very important. Okay, I'm not able to share this, make it in the slide mode. This is from Bhartrhari's Niti Shatagameva. Nindantu Niti Nipunaha Yadiva Suvantu Lakshmi Samavishatu Gachatu Vayatestam Adyaiva Vamanamastu Yukandareva Nyayat Padaha Pravitalandi Padam Naviraha. This Subhashidam is about Dhira. Dhira, people who are courageous, who are brave, they nindantu, even if you insult them. Niti Nipunaha, even if the most learned people in society insult them, nindantu, tatra lotlakara prayoga eva, yadi va suvantu, even if they praise them, suvantu ityukte lotlakara prayoga eva, even if they praise them or insult these Dhira people, who is doing that? Niti Nipunaha, the most learned people in society, even if they praise them or insult them. Lakshmihi samavishadu gacchadu vaya desam. Lakshmihi ityukte wealth. Samavishadu matlab sitting near you. Lakshmi sitting near you means what? Wealth is with you. Even for courageous people, they have wealth with them or they have lost their wealth. Gacchadu vaya desam. Even if they lost their money. Adyaiva maranamastu yugandareva. Adyaiva means today. Yugandare means even after several years, after centuries. Even if your death, maranamastu, even if your death is today or even after centuries. Nyayat padaha pravichalanti padam na diviraha. Nyayat, Panjami vibhakti eva. From the path of Nyayaha, padaha means the path of Nyayaha. Pravichalanti, I have told it in one of the earlier classes, means deviate. Pravichalanti means deviate. Nadiraha means they will not deviate. Even if the Niti Nipunas in society insult them or praise them, even if money is there with them, wealth is there with them, or they are paupers, or even if they know that if they are telling the right thing, even if they are dead today, or they will be killed today itself, or maybe they have a long life. Irrespective of all of that, they are very clear in their path of dharma, in the path of their nyayam, they will not deviate from their path. Example of Prahlada, when Hiranyakashipu, even Prahlada's teachers told, hey, leave it here, if your father is such a great person, he is so rich, he is wealthy, you will get the kingdom. Why do you want to go and fight against him, saying Mahavishnu is there, Mahavishnu is there? You tell him, na, Mahavishnu is not there, and then you be happy. His own teachers advised him. But Prahlad did not listen to that. Prahlad went ahead and proved to his father that Mahavishnu is there at the cost of his own death, because he knew that he would be killed and the pillar was broken. And then comes Narasimha Murti, iti katha sarvam jananti eva Prahlada Mahodeva Dhiraha iti uttama udaharanaha. Now, let us go into the last today's part of it. I don't know how many more minutes, but whatever it is, I will finish it today, because otherwise we will have